Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to pick a master key lock. I got one rigged up here on my old pellet gun. The type, cannot say, mostly because of copyright crap. The lock, well, you guys that use a lot of locks, just by looking at it, you could pretty much know. I'm playing it safe and just avoiding. I'm just playing it safe and avoiding showing names. Really, starts with an R. Sean will figure it. Can't get in trouble for saying that, I don't think. Alright. 2 screwdrivers. Little ones. Little star. Even smaller flathead. What you do is, get a good look down in here. This side, here, right there. You put your big, not really big, you put your average size star. Now down in there you put your tiny little flathead right down, like that. Okay, now here's the tricky part. Most of them are different, so it does take a bit. Really, just work around with this, and you'll feel pins on this side. So work it in there. There we go. Alright. Now hold this here. This is just really mostly for turning. You don't really need it for now. Alright. Reach down into the bottom and flick the bottom pin just by turning it like that. And try to turn it a bit. You notice it'll turn just a little, slightest bit. See? Yeah, I'll do it again. Turns just the slightest bit. And what you do is you work your way up. Flick the pins in. Turn. You'll hear a click. Should really work its way free. And voila. Just like that. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Just really work around in here. Get those pins moving. Sets back. Fairly easy. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty much easy as heck. Can't really do it with one at the moment, but thank you for watching. Enjoy.